to a system like the whole world really at the moment. There's always like changes that follow themselves. A couple of things that we might see in the future, like the continuation of this intermediation, so like working from home or practicing like dinner parties through Zoom might be something if you want to keep in touch with people more. We might see also the emergence of new services like high-end travel agencies that might cater to a crowd that really want to be safe, like from a health perspective when traveling.